What's good, everybody? All my hustlers, all my hustlets, we here. Gualla hacks once again. What are you doing when no one's looking? As you can hear, probably, it's raining right now. Which brings me to my point of this video. Every day ain't sunshine and rainbows, you know what I'm saying? There might be a rainbow after the rain stops, but every day ain't pretty. Every day is not going to be easy for you to get through and get to what you need to get to in life, on your work, on your business, on your processing. So how we get through that? When it's a rainy day for everybody else, what you supposed to be doing? Getting to your grind. Because why? You know, other people right now are relaxing, not getting to it. So what does that give you? Some time for you to get ahead. You feel me? Working with percentages right here. You're working with percentages in life. You're trying to be in that small percentage. You're going to have to work. You're going to have to work harder than the next, smarter than the next. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. So, while it's raining, we still grinding. Can't stop. Hey, as it rain harder, we grind harder. So what are you doing? Literally, what are you doing behind closed doors when nobody looking? What are the things that you are doing? Not just being when you're being seen and, hey, what you been up to? Hey, I've been up to this. Have you really been up to that? Have you? You know what I'm saying? Days like this, gotta dig deeper. You gotta dig deeper. You gotta grind harder. You gotta grind smarter. You gotta get into your groove. You gotta get into your flow like water. You feel me? For real. I just want to apply this motivation to y'all because it's days that you might not feel like it. You might not have the energy, the motivation. You know, you need to be that motivation. So what are we going to do? We're going to practice that mindset that you're supposed to have when you feel like that, because it happens to everybody. So what you supposed to think about? How you supposed to train your mind to get through and get to it on those rainy days? You think about what you've lost. You think about what you're trying to get back and retain. You think about the haters laughing at you. You think about, hey, what if today is the difference that it makes from me being successful and me not being successful? What if that day is the day? Huh? When you think like that, then it kick in, that spark. You gotta make sure you keep that spark going. It's like on a train, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be somebody back in the day. I don't know if they still do it like that, but it had to be one person that was shoveling in the cold, 3 people shoveling in the cold, getting that engine started, getting that engine keep going. You know what I'm saying? The business is the machine, you know? You the conductor, so you gotta keep ramping it up and stay on the track, stay on the right track. You feel me? Stay on the right track. Make sure you stay on the right track, man. You know what I'm saying? This documentation for y'all, this documentation for me. Make sure you stay on track. I'm talking to you right there. Yeah, stay on track. So many naysayers, so many people that want to get you down. But guess what? I ain't got time for that today. You feel me? You feel skis? Want to make you feel bad for being focused on what you supposed to be focused on. But we ain't down for that. We going to stay focused. You feel me? So make sure that you working overtime. Overtime. So they can be quiet. We ain't got no time for that. We ain't got no time for that. I'm going to just tell you, if you like me, we different. You know? You know what I'm saying? We like bees, you know what I'm saying? We wake up and we go get to the honey. That's what we go do. We get to the honey. Some people get to other things. What do? We get to the honey. You feel me? That's all I'm saying, man. Shoot. Gotta poke your chest out, man. You gotta poke your chest out. Show them who you is. Sometimes you can't be quiet. We ain't here to be quiet. People talk about being shy. Well, get over it. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you're doing whatever you need to do, whatever you got to do. And if you don't want it that bad, if you don't want it that bad, then that's fine with me. That's all I'm saying. If you don't want it that bad, then that's fine with me. You ain't got to pertain to information. You feel me? You can go on to go watch some cat videos, go watch something else. That's fine. But no matter if you here, whoever lead this video, we still here. You feel me? That's the funny part. That's the funny part, bruh. It's another thing I want to say too. As I'm thinking about it, today I dawned on it. Look, I ain't a millionaire yet or a billionaire yet, but mentally, I'm a millionaire. Mentally, I'm a billionaire. You feel me? I'm probably gonna be one of the first trillionaires. That's how we rockin'. You feel me? I ain't doing this for show, you feel me? Life. Accomplishment. You feel me? What's my, man, ain't no warrior mindset. That's me. If you over here, let me tell you a little something about myself. If you over here, I'm warrior mindset. We warrior mindset. You feel me? We still out there with the You feel me? That's what we on. You see the dreads. You see it. You know what I mean? Live your purpose, man. Live your real nature. I'm living in my real nature. You know what I'm saying? Some people hate when you smile. So I'm going to keep smiling. You know what I'm saying? That's how you got to keep going, bro. That's how you got to keep going, sis. Come on, kings. Come on, queens. We on it. Whoever I'm talking to, we here. I know a lot of people ain't got this mentality. That's fine. Let them be over there. Let them be over there. That's the thing. More for us. More for us. To feed our families. Let them be over there. You know what I'm saying? Don't be talking to walls, bro. Keep an eye out. Keep a lookout. But we warrior mindset over here. You know what I'm saying? And what's warrior mindset? Warrior mindset is no matter if it's raining, no matter if it's snowing, no matter if it's hailing, no matter if it's a thunderstorm, no matter if it's a tsunami, we still gotta go out and hunt and bring back so we can live. You feel me? That's where we at. That's where we at, and I ain't playing with it. Gualla, man. You hear it in the music, man. Off with their heads. Ha! What they talking about? Blues on me. What they talking about? Tesla, what's up? The knowledge is in the music, man. Feel me? Big designer. Big recording artist. Big actor. I'm gonna tell y'all more about that later. I don't really know the process is right yet, but I'm gonna tell y'all about that later. Big actor. Big actor. You feel me? Whatever you doing, walk in that. Whatever you want to do, walk in that. What you screaming to the world? What's your thing? What's your thing? You feel me? What's your thing? Maybe we can work together. What's up? You feel me? Go ahead and email me. You'll see it in the description. Let's work. People always be saying, I hate that. I hate that term, let's work. Nobody works. Nobody works. Nobody works. People want money and ain't done and gave no value, don't have no catalog. I don't get it. Stop it. Stop it, bro. Stop it. Know your value. Know what it is. Everybody ain't at the top. You ain't always at the top. You feel me? You got to work to the top, man. That's what we talking about. Working to the top, to get to the top. It's people that's gonna help you get to the top, that's in the realm of the niche that you in. So find those people, work with those people, and get it in. You know what I'm saying? What your catalog look like? What your catalog look like? You feel me? What your resume look like? All this talk? What? Come on now. Where it at? That's what I'm saying. Make sure you're working on your catalog. Make sure you got your together. Make sure you got it together. We don't hear that. We don't want to hear that. Know what I'm saying? Y'all here trying to get to it. We ain't down for the foolery, the trickery, the fakery, all of that. We just want real, genuine love and genuine helping one another. You feel me? That's what we want. Shoot. Tell y'all what's up, man. Shout out DJ Malone, man. Always been there. Always, man. Shout out Be Easy, man. Always been there. You gonna find people that want to help you get to where you want to get. You feel me? Shoot. Got me upset. Lead king. Lead queen. Get to it. And if they ain't helping you, if they in the way, if they causing problems and certain things like that, move accordingly. Move accordingly. You feel me? You know what's up? Listen to your gut. Listen to yourself. You know what's up? Gualla hacks, man. Gualla hacks in this joint, baby. Ski. Talking about, you know what I'm saying? Go visit scribetrap.com. Say what's up. Go ahead and join the email list. I just dropped some new merch on there. Some stuff is merch. I'm getting to the clothing brand stuff too. I ain't really, saying split it up to how I need to split it up. But we out here big designer. You know? Got the narrative of Red Light, the origin story. Make sure you go read about that. I got my journal up there so you can see the thoughts, the inside thoughts inside of my mind. You feel me? Journal entries. What's up? Scribetrap.com, man. Make sure y'all go see that. What's your website? Drop your website down low. Go ahead, promote, network. Let's get it. What you got going on? What you got going on? I see views. But where you at? You know what I'm saying? A lot of quiet. See, that's how I rock. Because no matter what, though, I keep going. That's the thing, though. I don't care if I got one like on the post. I know it's the firest post. You feel me? I don't care if it's one like on the video. It's the firest video. You know? And if you don't got that type of confidence, I don't know what to tell you, bruh. Bruh. My fault. Bruh. I don't know what to tell you, bruh. Shoot. That's how I'm rocking. That's how we rocking over here, man. Real, man. Big Gualla, man. Gualla hacks, man. Make sure that you working when everybody else ain't working. Make sure you working when everybody else ain't working. Tap in when they ain't tapped in. You know what I'm saying? Go get your coins. Go get your gold. Go get your attributes. Keep stacking up. Keep getting them skills. You know what I'm saying? Big money time. Big success time. We ain't playing with them, bruh. Gualla hacks, bruh. Holla at me, man. We out this joint.